optionsstrategy.com.
Hello, this is Daniel Grady with a brief look at the markets for today, Thursday, November 28th. We'll start with a look at the economic calendar, and today U.S. markets are closed because of Thanksgiving, but we still have some important data coming out from Europe. We start at 8:30 GMT when we have German unemployment data coming out. Then at 10 o'clock GMT we have the Eurozone consumer confidence, and then the major event of the day is at 1 o'clock GMT in the afternoon when we have inflation data coming out from Germany. This is most likely a key data that will be important for next week's ECB rate decision meeting. Moving over to the markets, the S&P 500 closed up yesterday, as well as the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the Nasdaq. This was in response to better than expected consumer confidence data and unemployment data. This also helped push Asian markets higher yesterday, which were all up across the board. As I said, today the U.S. markets are closed, so we don't have any expectations for the American session, but European futures are trading higher. Moving over to the euro. The euro is just past the 50% retracement level, which is at 136. This was a resistance and could now turn to support. We also have support here at 135.35, which is the beginning of major congestion level, and then we have resistance at 136.50. How the euro will move over the session and will depend on how the data comes in that's expected during the session. The pound also yesterday had good data. We had good data from the United Kingdom. The third quarter GDP data was much better than expected, and pushed the pound out of this channel that's been maintaining since the beginning of October. We'd have to see some form of consolidation before we could see whether this is a new trend or not. We have our next resistance is at 136.50, and the prior resistance is now turned to support at 162.50. The yen yesterday also rose. It is currently trading just beneath our next resistance level, which is at 102.30, and then we also have support here at 101.30. If it were to break above 102.30, we'd expect this pair to push towards 103.50, which is the yearly high established way back in May. However, if we can go in a little bit closer, RSI is showing that this pair is significantly overbought, and we could be looking at a short-term correction. Gold also moved lower yesterday in response to better economic data from the United States. We're currently targeting 1,222, which is the next important support level. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching and happy trading.